Consider the challenge: countless devices, all running different platforms, each demanding seamless access to the right applications, securely, efficiently, and consistently. That's where Microsoft Intune steps in. Designed to unify app management, Intune makes deploying and controlling applications across multiple platforms straightforward for IT professionals and technology decision-makers alike. Let's start with Windows. On Windows devices, Intune manages traditional Win32 apps, modern Microsoft Store apps, line of business applications, and even web links. It enables remote installation, updates, and removal, ensuring your workforce always has the latest, approved tools without manual intervention or user confusion. Next, on iOS and iPadOS, Intune gives you the power to deploy apps from the App Store, custom in-house applications, and even web apps. Security policies can be applied to protect organizational data, whether users are working from company-owned or personal devices. Android offers similar flexibility. With Intune, you can push apps from Google Play, deploy internal enterprise apps, and manage web links. Through managed Google Play, distribution is secure, and apps are always retrieved from trusted sources, reducing the risk of malware and ensuring compliance across your mobile fleet. For macOS, Intune supports management of both App Store apps and custom tools, giving you the same high standards for deployment and security that you expect on Windows. Even Chrome OS devices can be enrolled and managed, ensuring web-based applications are securely delivered to every Chromebook user. No matter the platform, Microsoft Intune streamlines application management, enforces compliance, and delivers an experience that empowers both IT teams and end users. By choosing Intune, you build a unified, scalable approach to application delivery, no matter where or how your users connect.